This is a very short demo on the Excella's XBRL code generator tool. This is an X1 and Powercenter solution where we have tried to integrate the processing capabilities of the X1 SDK and the transformation capabilities of Powercenter and B2B DT. XBRL is a complex XML standard for business reporting and is used extensively in financial insurance verticals. The current tools for converting XBRL files mainly involve hand coding and manual conversion using the X-font. So we have tried to build an end-to-end automated solution which will ingest XBRL files and populate to a relational structure, and can also generate XBRL files using that same relational structure. It consists of three main components: the X1 engine, industry standard for use to X1 engine, the Informatica Powercenter with B2B data transformation, and our Eccella XBRL auto generator. This generator is used to generate the code required to integrate both X1 and Powercenter through B2B DT. So the steps, it involves mainly three steps. The taxonomy is loaded through a simple UI. This UI generates a data model, a Powercenter workflow, and a DT service which will transform into XBRL using Java and X1 API. A Java code transforming XBRL with exception handling. Once these objects are generated, they can be imported to Powercenter, and continuous execution can be done by executing these workflows. So let's directly go to the execution. We have a jar file here. We just execute it, provided the taxonomy. So we are testing it with the FinRep taxonomy here. Provided the root taxonomy file and a directory where our data model would be generated. This will take like 10 or 15 seconds, and the data model should be generated here. As you can see, the data model is generated. We have a DT service, a Powercenter workflow, and a DDL script which can be imported into Oracle or any other database to generate our data model. I have already imported the data model, so this is how it looks like, and the Powercenter mapping. Let's view it in full screen. So this is what the mapping looks like. It has a source of a normal source qualifier. It will provide the path of the incoming XBRL file. There's a DT service here which was generated by our code generator. This DT service leverages the X1 SDK to process the XBRL files and populates the data into my data model. Let's run this. As you can see, the workflow is running and it will populate data into my data model. The data has been populated. Let's see the data. So the data looks something like this. All the tables have been populated. So to summarize, we have a UI which will generate our data model. The data model has these components: a DDL file, a Powercenter workflow, and a DT service. It also generates a log where you can see if any errors happen during the process of the taxonomy, etc. So thank you. That's it.